Installation steps for flat embroidery frame. Firstly, hang the platform on both sides of the rack with screws, and this button can be retracted. Then we put down the platform, and we can see that this platform can be directly hung on the rack. Let's pull up the platform again, lay it flat, and tighten the screws on both sides. Next, we will take out the tailgate, one on each side, with a magnet facing downwards. Return to the fourth interface of the electronic control. Click on the small flower image. Click on the garment frame icon. Find the large frame we want. Click and tick. It should be noted that before moving the frame, there should be no other fixtures on the guide rail type, especially the hat embroidery device. It must be checked first before moving the frame. After selecting the frame for electronic control, install our flat embroidery frame with the screw facing forward. Now slowly push it in, clip it onto the guide rail, and tighten the screw. It is important to note that the additional screw holes on both sides must be symmetrical, with several on the left and several on the right, and the same on the right.